Researchers from the Ceramics and Glass programme at the Royal College of Art, led by Professor Martin Smith and Dr. Steve Brown, have been working closely with the UK ceramic tableware industry, exploring, extending and improving current technology in order to be a catalyst for the uptake of digital printing for production. Ceramic print production has over the years advanced from early engraving and etching developments through to lithography and onto the current use of screen printing, each new progression opening up distinctly new visual opportunities and limitations. More recently, digital technologies have been gathering momentum, and it is now the turn of these printing techniques to inject a new visual language into the area of ceramic surface design. Re-evaluating the existing ceramic laser printing system, the first task that the researchers focused upon was to raise the perception of the technology. Laser printing deposits less pigment than the conventionally used screen printing method, and so results have in the past been dismissed by the tableware industry and perceived as weak. To resolve this, Smith & Brown developed a multi-pass method in combination with a controlled registration system. This allowed them to increase toner deposits, creating richer, more saturated colours. Physical parts of the toner delivery system were widened to cope with an increased demand of material. Fine registration also allows the paper stock to pass through additional printers, extending the range of colours printed onto the sheet, whilst further registering methods combine laser printed toner with screen printed analogue ink sets such as gold and platinum. Economies of production are also made, as the time and cost-hungry necessity of producing films, exposing screens and printing each colour separately is collapsed down into a full-colour, relatively immediate print process. In addition, digital print offers a print-to-demand model, resulting in no waste of leftover ink or stock sitting on shelves. The immediacy of digital design straight into print production also offers the potential for the unique production run, where simple changes to the design allow each print to be different. A half-degree rotation of the moire design generates 720 different interference patterns before a design is repeated. With a collapsed design into print system that bypasses lengthy pre-pressed tasks, those small changes can be infused directly into production. Smith & Brown have finessed this in-house workflow specifically for tableware, from reprographics through to print production. Practical solutions needed to be found for ancillary production tasks, such as applying, firing and gilding the printed designs. Extensive research was undertaken to allow the new system to engage with existing workflows, allowing creative design and print tasks to be supported by infrastructures at sources where stock is held within established commercial production facilities such as in Stoke-on-Trent. Alongside Smith & Brown developing a design language by working through the technology, life partners were found to develop and place product ranges into the commercial market. The researchers chose to work with a new generation of companies who already embrace designs and production generated through digital technology for luxury fabrics and wallpapers, and who are now looking to do the same within the tableware market. The project accumulated a network of industry experts who have been advising the researchers' speculations to define specifications for a made-for-purpose digital ceramic printer. By considering a system from the ground up, improvements such as paper pre-press treatments to reduce shrinkage could be built in. Toner saturation could be achieved by multiplying the print stations. This would allow double toner colour printing or a bespoke spot colour setup. Paper sizes larger than the current SRA3 could be accommodated, with all the RIP software, calibration capabilities and profiling happening in machine. Ultimately though, it has been through the considered development of the digital language which has been the greatest catalyst for discussion. Developing sophisticated reprographic techniques, Smith & Brown have been able to create lush saturation through to soft fades, previously unattainable through screen printing. Alongside working with production companies and retailers, Smith & Brown have been working with chefs and restaurants to explore closer relationships between designers and end users. The incredible range of variations of qualities and colours that are now available through the increasing progression of this embryonic technology offer more immediate bespoke responses to the context and environment that tableware exists in. By placing this new visual language back into the commercial environment, Smith & Brown hope to act as a catalyst and stimulate the demand that the ceramic industry will respond to through embracing digital print production.